What's going on, guys? So today we're working on the pit bike. Let's dig into these plastics. We're gonna throw them on the bike, and hopefully it'll look 10 times better than it looks right now. Alright, so we got everything off the bike. I'm really hoping that this new gas tank will fit and all the plastics will fit around it. I'm not positive that it will. I've seen a couple of videos of people using these plastics on this bike, but I think their bike was a little bit newer than this one is. I think this one's like a 2014, but we'll see. I'm gonna throw on the front fender, and then I'll work my way to the gas tank, side plastics, and then number plates and rear fender, and we'll see. Hopefully it fits. What I did, I ran into a couple problems. One of the problems was the gas tank does not fit on this frame correctly, so I just had to prop it up a little bit. So I just made a bracket and it works fine. There's a little bit of a gap, but it's not terrible. I mean, it doesn't look the worst. I'm definitely going to get a lowering link for this shock on the back so it doesn't look so weird and tall. But other than that, it looks pretty good. I think I'm going to get an actual KLX 110 seat. That is not the KLX 110 seat, that's the stock seat that came with this. And then I think I'll probably get some graphics, and that'll probably be it. So definitely more videos coming for this. Hopefully more videos coming for this right here. I'm gonna try and turn this thing into, like, they have the new plastic kits, like, to make it look like a 2018. It doesn't fit this year model, but I think that I could throw a subframe on the back of it from an 02 and it'll work. I'm hoping. I'm gonna make sure of that, but for sure you'll be seeing more of that and more of this in the future.